Queen of Bavaria conure, golden parakeet or golden conure, is a medium-sized golden yellow and green parrot. It is native to the drier upland rainforests in Amazonian Brazil. Its conservation status is vulnerable due to deforestation, flooding and the illegal pet trade. In habitat they nest high in trees and lay an average of 4 white eggs which are guarded aggressively. The eggs are incubated for about 30 days with the male and female taking turns. They are a social species which live, feed, sleep and breed in groups. They feed on fruit, flowers, buds and seeds. The barley myna is a critically endangered species which was only discovered about 100 years ago. It is mainly threatened by illegal trapping for the cage bird trade, even within conservation areas in national parks. Low numbers are also leading to low genetic diversity with fewer than 100 birds in the wild. It's also called the barley starling or Rothschild's myna. They eat mainly fruit, seeds, worms and insects. The channel-billed toucan comes from Trinidad in the Caribbean and tropical South America. It has brightly coloured markings and a large bill that reaches up to 14 centimetres in length. There are 4 recognised subspecies that will interbreed freely. It is an arboreal fruit eater, but will also consume insects, eggs, frogs and small reptiles. The white eggs are laid in high, unlined tree cavities and both parents are active in raising the young, which are blind and naked at birth. Their eyes open after about 3 weeks and feathers develop at around 4 weeks. They rely on their parents to feed them for about 8 weeks in total and will leave the nest after 40 to 50 days.